All right, so roomies, make sure you're quiet. We're going over this now. So first off, we're doing the diamonds. What two numbers have a product of 51 and a sum of 20? First off, before anybody answers, Logan, if you can hear me, what two numbers have a product of 51 and a sum of 20? Okay, that tells me that our kids at home cannot hear us. All right, so if someone in class, 51 and 20, Ava, thank you for raising your hand. 13 times 7 is 91. Now it adds to 20.
Oh, I meant, hold on. 13, 17. I mean, 3 and 17.
3 and 17 works on that one, right? But those are both good. 91 and 20. 91 is one of those numbers they try to fool you with, just like 51. How about 169 and 26? Ella?
13 and 13.
13 times 13. 72 and 27. I have not called on Alyssa yet.
24 and 3.
Good job. 24 times 3. And 42 and 13, just for old time's sake. Katie.
6 and 7.
6 times 7. All right. What is the product of 8 and negative 8s? Sam.
Sam, hold on here. Sam. I think Sam is broke.
Not sure? All right, who knows? Thank you, Kira.
Negative 64.
Negative 64.
Yeah, Kira, let's go.
Just so you know, I do that. If I'm talking and we're working on something and you're not doing what you're supposed to, you can almost count on being called on, right? And sometimes if you're not paying attention, I can ask you something like, what's 1 times 1? And you won't know the answer because you didn't hear the question because you weren't paying attention. Yeah, some people think that's mean, and it might be a little bit, but I do it, so beware. Whoa. TJ, what is the product of 10 and negative 10?
Negative 100.
Perfect. And negative 9 times 10, what's that product? I have not called on Brooklyn in a while. What's the product of negative 9 and positive 10? Yes, but say it like an answer instead of a question. When you say negative 90, that sounds like a question. When you say negative 90, yes. And then pound your fist on your desk. Negative 90. All right. How about 9 times negative 10? Yeah. Negative 90. Good job. How about negative 5 times, I'm sorry, negative 10 times 5? Sam.
He broke again.
Oh, he broke again. Someone give the Tin Man some oil.
He needs a software update.
Someone give the Tin Man some oil. Thank you for raising your hand. Dominic.
Negative 50.
Sam, you ready for this one? 4 times negative 2.
Negative 8.
Perfect. I knew he bounced it back.
Software update.
Coming back to life.
Top of my head.
10 times 2. TJ.
Just regular positive 10 times 2?
Yep.
20.
Yep.
I was
He was
so paranoid.
Are you positive?
He was so paranoid.
All right, negative 9 times negative, or so negative 7 times negative 9. Colt?
63.
Raise your hand, think 63. Yes, remember if they're both different, the answer is positive. I mean, they're both different, the answer is negative. They're both the same, the answer is positive. All right, anybody have a guess for the big problem? TJ?
Oh, I don't know. I've been guessing them right, so I'm gonna guess like 9 or 10.
9 or 10?
No,
Okay.
7.
7.
Negative 90.
Wait, what was it? It's
Oh,
5.
Dominic.
5.
25.
I didn't
25.
do this one.
All right, let's see. We're gonna do parentheses first. I have parentheses there. I have parentheses here. Doesn't matter which one we start with. Let's go ahead and start here. I have exponents, subtracting, square roots, and multiplying. What do I do out of those things?
Don't know.
Exponents and square roots. Okay. 4 to the 4th power is not 16. It's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. What is that? TJ.
64.
That's 4 times 4 times 4. One more 4. Katie?
256.
256. And how do you see that? Look here, TJ. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4.
Yeah.
4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 16, right? Long and prosper. What is the square root of 49, Avery? Uh-oh, Avery broke too. Ella.
I don't need the software.
Wait.
Scooby Doo.
Negative 90. Avery, what are you doing?
She gave me a Scooby Doo. All right, Ella, what do you got? 7. And 2 to the third power is not 6. What is 2 to the third power? What is 2 to the third power?
Actually,
Sam. 8. What is the product of 7 and 8? Avery.
Huh?
Again.
56.
Now, what is the difference between 256 and 56? Alyssa. 200. What's that backslash mean again? Divide. What's the square root of 25? Ava.
Right. Can ask me that.
All right. Now, this looks like a big, ugly, scary fraction. But x to the fourth goes into the top
Why would
one,
you say that to your
goes
friend?
into the bottom
Tell
one.
me.
Y squared goes into the top one, goes into the bottom one. 4 goes into the bottom once and goes into the top 3 times. So this is the same as 3 over 1, which is 3. Now I'm going to multiply that by the square root of 13 squared times minus 5 squared. What is 13 squared? Oh, only 2 people know? Sam's bouncing back big here. What do you got?
169.
169.
Your software update works.
And what is 5 squared? Avery.
Avery needs a new software.
5 squared.
Oh, it's 5 squared.
Oh,
It's not 10. That's the most popular wrong answer. You know this?
I know it, Avery.
I give you this so you, this is like a penalty kick for you.
Avery, you're killing me.
Oh.
You're breaking me down.
Call it so.
25?
25.
Now,
What is the difference between 13 squared and 5 squared?
A lot of numbers.
What's the difference between 13 squared and 5 squared?
I don't know.
I'm so smart.
Nobody knows. Alyssa, thank you.
144.
No.
No?
That's gross.
Oh,
That's gross. Don't forget, 144 is gross, right? That's a dozen. What's the square root of 144? Katie?
12.
12. Now, what am I going to do first? I'm going to do that subtracting last. I'm going to divide and multiply first, right? How many times does 5 go into 200? TJ?
40 times.
40 times. And what is 3, the product of 3 and 12? 3 dozen. 3 feet is how many inches? Alyssa?
36.
36. What's the difference between 40 and 36? TJ?
60. No, 14.
No?
Oh, I don't know.
Look at it again. Ava?
4.
4.
Still
Yep.
can't see.
After today, how many days of school do you have left?
4. My last day.
Well, technically, you have way more than 4, because you have to go to 7th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th grade.
Another 20.
Technically. All right. 4's right in. All right. Where am I going to start here?
College.
20,000 days.
I'm going to start
20 million quadrillion.
right there. Why? Because my answers here can be 4 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 1. My answers here have to be 4 or 1. What number did I not mention? TJ? 3, right?
Yeah.
So a 3 has to go here. And make sure you're not talking while we're recording, right? Now, if a 3 goes here, and these two have to be a 4 times 3, can I put a 3 here?
No.
So what goes there?
4.
What goes here?
4.
What goes here? Anara?
2.
2. What's gonna go here? Ava?
1.
1. So what's gonna have to go here, Melissa?
4.
Now, here I have a 2 and a 1 left. Can I put a 2 here?
No.
So what goes there? What goes here?
2.
Now here I have a 4 and a 1, so I'm not sure what. Here, I need a 3 and a 4. Can I put a 3 here?
No.
I can't, huh? I can't use the 3 to divide and get a 2 for an answer unless I can have a 6 for the other one up. So the 3 is gonna have to go here, which means what's gonna have to go there? Alyssa?
1.
1. What's gonna have to go here? Ava? A 4, huh? I can't put a 1 there. What goes bottom left? Anara?
1.
What goes in the last square of the third row? Same hands keep popping up. Anybody besides these 4? Kira?
2.
2. What goes in the bottom square of the second column? Avery?
4.
4. What goes in the third square of the bottom row? TJ?
2.
And what's the missing number? Everybody?
3.
All right. Good job. Good job. That is our first live recording of a 4x4 King Kid in our history. You guys made